Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I wanted to create this really easy, soft, romantic Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So to see how I came up with it, just keep on watching. Alright, the look today is pretty straightforward and easy to achieve as I'm only using a few colours. And the first shade that I'm applying is from my Morphe Brushes 9B palette. This is a blush palette, but I pretty much just use it for eyeshadows. So the first shade I'm using is the one on the bottom left here, and I'm going to be applying that shade through the crease with my Sigma E25 blending brush. Amazing colour payoff considering I only used the smallest amount. And I'm using small circular motions to ensure that this shade is well diffused and blown out through the crease. And once I've done that, I'm just going to pick that same colour and from here connect it to my lower lash line. And then once that's applied onto my lower lash line, I'm just going to be using this wiggling motion and also apply that to my outer lid. And just diffusing the edges using small circular motions, just to make sure that the colour is well blended and blown out. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going to be applying today is Cosmopolitan from Geek, and it's this really nice peachy rose gold shade with gold reflex. And I'm just going to be applying that shade with MAC's flat shader brush. Alright, so I'm just stamping that shade all over the eyelid. Oh, I forgot to mention, I applied concealer onto my eyelids as my eyeshadow base when I was doing my face off camera, and that was just my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NC42, and I applied that all over the lid, and then I set that with a translucent powder prior to filming. So next I'm taking my Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade here called Angel Fire. It's a baby pink pressed pigment that's super sparkly. And using a bullet brush, I'm just going to apply it to my inner corner. I'm applying this shade in small increments as I want this look to remain soft and angelic, so I'm not going all in at once. Now usually when I do eyeshadows, I always go in with a black liner, but I want this to stay quite soft and romantic, so rather than black, I'm going to be using a brown. Now I don't have brown gel liner that isn't dried up. So today I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in chocolate with a MAC, I think it's a MAC 266 liner brush, and I'm just going to apply this . And I'm not taking that shade all the way into my inner corner, I'm kind of letting it fade after my iris. Alright, so now I'm going to smoke out that liner. I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up this brown shade called Cyprus Umber, and I'm just doing this with a Zoeva and Good brush. Now that we've got this really nice brown smoked out cat eye going on, I'm going to go back to my Morphe 9B blush palette. We used that shade earlier, so now I'm going to pop over to this one, which is very similar but just slightly darker, and using this definer brush here from Morphe. I don't have the number as it's rubbed off, but it's from their Gunmetal collection. Just picking up that shade and gonna run it along my lower lash line, and that's just to slightly deepen the previous shade that we applied. Now for my mascara today, I'm going to be using my MAC Extended Play Mascara, which is my favourite for lower lashes. Now today I'm going to be using a really old school lash, and this is my Red Cherry number 43 lashes. I love these ones because they're long, yet the gaps allow you to still see your eyeshadow. Alright, so to finish off the face, I really want all the colours to tie in together well. So going back into the Morphe 9B blush palette, Picking up that middle shade, I'm just going to apply it as my blush. Alright, so for my lips today, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Bond Girl. Oh, that's such a pretty pink. And then taking MAC's Global Glow, I'm going to lightly highlight my face. And just to add a touch more sheen, I'm going to be taking NARS Orgasm and just applying that to the very apples. And that brings us to the end of this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys thought of this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!